If you are looking for how to insert calendar symbol in MS Word, then keep watching. To insert the symbol calendar, you need to type 1 F4 C5 and press Alt X all together. And this is what you can see that. So I am writing the Unicode here. So type the tier of calendar, you need to type 1 F4C6 and press Alt X altogether, and tier of calendar is inserted. To insert the spiral calendar, you need to type 1 F5D3 and press Alt X together, and here spiral calendar is inserted. Another way is that to type simple calendar, you need to press the window key and semicolon key all together, and you will be routed to the emoji window. Click on this search icon and type calendar, and you will be routed to the calendars emojis. Here is the simple calendar, and again press the window key and semicolon key and go to the tier of calendar and click insert. Go to the next box, press again window key and semicolon, click search icon and click on the spiral calendar and close it. So for the last method, you need to click on the insert and go to the symbols and go to the more symbols, and in the font section you need to select Segoe UI symbol, and on the right side in the subset you need to select extended characters plain 1, and here you will find calendar symbol. Click insert and click insert and close it, and here you can see that you can select it, go to the home section and give some effects as you likes. That's much better. So with these method you can easily insert calendar symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.